Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Rainbow Six Siege server connection error code 30x0001000b in Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. First thing I recommend to do actually turn off your computer as well as the router, unplug the power cord from the computer and the router and wait for at least 30 seconds and reconnect it guys. Reconnect the power cord of both devices, start your PC and router again and check if the error is resolved. If it did not resolve your problem, let's fix it guys. For that you just want to right click on the start icon, select run, type here ncpa.cpl, click OK. Right click on the device you are currently using it guys, Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection, right click on it and select properties, and in here internet protocol version 4 TCP IP v4, double click on it and select the use the following DNS server address. You just want to click on the use the following DNS server address and change this to 8888 and the same thing but last two just need to change 4 change this as well, 8888 8844, click OK. After changing it, click OK again, close out of here and check the problem resolved. If it doesn't resolve the problem, let's move on to the next solution guys. For that, go to search menu and type Windows Security, click on open it. On left side select firewall network protection and select allow an app through firewall, click on it and in here you just need to check for Rainbow game guys. You just want to check for it. If you find anything named as Rainbow your game, you just want to check mark the private and public, check mark it, and if you can't able to find here, you just want to browse it guys. Click on change settings, click on allow another app and click on browse and go to your game location over here. Click on your in program files, you will be finding your game. I'm gonna find my game in Roblox. You just want to select your game guys like this. You just need to select open and I am already adding the Roblox before, that's why I'm gonna cancel this. You just want to click on add and add it guys, and after adding it click on private and public, check mark it, and after doing it click OK and your problem will be resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.